how to play chess by yourself on chess.com. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can play chess by yourself on chess.com. So it's very simple. First of all, log in into chess.com, and then once you're on the website, you will be brought to the page where you would see play chess online on the number one site by the left side, by the right side of the screen. You would see play online, play computer, solve puzzles, etc. And then once you can see this, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a navigation bar where you can see play puzzles, learn, etc. Scroll down to the last part and click on more. But before then, ensure you sign up and you log in to create an account. So once you're logged in, click on the more option, like I said, and then after clicking on more, a drop down menu will appear by the right side of the more option, and then amongst the options displayed, you can see library, explorer, solo chess. The solo chess stands for playing by yourself, so just click on that. So after clicking on solo chess, you can see the prompts displayed on the screen, um, telling you how you can play solo chess. You can see how to play capture a piece with every move until just one remains. No piece may be captured. Just read through these, ensure you get it, and then click on start. And after clicking on start, you can now go ahead and play this by yourself. You can practice, you can try all of this by moving all the box, by moving the chess the way it ought to. You can challenge yourself. You can even change the mode by moving to the right side of the screen where you can see a box showcasing challenge mode, level 1, level 2, level 3. Select the level that you would like to play and then go ahead, follow the instruction be displayed, and you'll be able to play all by yourself on chess.com. So this is how you can play by yourself on chess.com. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.